How to clear cache on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on TikTok now. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here. After that click these three lines and it's easy. Click the three lines and once you're here all you need to do just click clear cache. And if you have an Android you can also go to settings, then apps again, type here TikTok now, click on it, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.